Yo, what is up everybody? It's your boy Sheharam, back at it again with a brand new video, and today we're going deep inside the world of luxury. We're not just talking about the flashy brands and the high price tags, we're going behind the curtain, into the factories, the workshops, the studios, to uncover how these luxury goods are actually made. From the intricate mechanisms of a Rolex watch, to the meticulous stitching of a Louis Vuitton bag, to the raw power and beauty of a Ferrari engine, we're breaking down the process step by step. We're talking materials, craftsmanship, heritage, and yes, even the business side of things, how much these things actually cost to make versus what they sell for. So buckle up, grab your overpriced coffee, and get ready for a wild ride. Let's do this thing.
What we do here is go back.
Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of luxury brands and uncovering how they actually make their products. From the precision of Rolex watches to the craftsmanship of Louis Vuitton bags and the secrets behind Ferrari's manufacturing process, we've got it all covered. Let's get started.
What we do here is go back.
First up, we're heading to Switzerland, the land of chocolate, cheese, and some of the most precise timepieces ever created, Rolex. Now, everybody knows Rolex. It's a status symbol, a statement piece, a freaking icon. But have you ever stopped to think about what actually goes into making one of these bad boys? It all starts with the materials. We're talking high-grade stainless steel, 18-karat gold, sometimes even platinum. Rolex sources only the finest materials from around the world, no compromises. I'm talking about metal so pure they make unicorn tears look like swamp water, and the craftsmanship? Don't even get me started. These watches are assembled by hand, piece by tiny piece, by master watchmakers who have dedicated their lives to this art form. We're talking about movements with hundreds of individual components, each one perfectly calibrated, perfectly placed. It's insane. Now let's talk about the process. It can take over a year to make a single Rolex watch. A year! From the initial design to the final polishing, every step is meticulously planned and executed. They use these crazy high-tech machines, but a lot of the work is still done by hand, using traditional watchmaking techniques that have been passed down for generations. For example, take the Oyster case, which is Rolex's signature waterproof case. Each case is individually tested for water resistance at a depth of 100 meters or 330 feet. That's deeper than most people will ever dive. But that's Rolex for you. They don't mess around. And then there's the movement, the heart of the watch. Rolex movements are legendary for their accuracy, reliability, and durability. They use a special type of balance spring called a parachrome hairspring, which is resistant to magnetic fields and temperature changes. This means your Rolex will keep ticking accurately no matter where you are or what you're doing. But here's the thing. All this precision and craftsmanship comes at a price. The materials alone for a Rolex watch can cost thousands of dollars. And when you factor in the labor, the research and development, the marketing, you're talking about a serious investment. So why are people willing to shell out so much cash for a Rolex? Well, for starters, it's a Rolex. It's a name that's synonymous with quality, luxury, and success. But it's more than just a name. It's a piece of history, a work of art, a legacy that you can pass down to future generations. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and buy a Rolex, but I am saying that when you see one, I want you to appreciate the level of craftsmanship and dedication that goes into making it. It's truly mind-blowing.
What we do here is go back.
All right, next up, we're jumping on a plane and heading to France, the land of love, croissants, and, of course, Louis Vuitton. Now, Louis Vuitton is more than just a brand, it's an empire. From their iconic handbags to their stylish luggage, shoes, clothing, you name it, they've got it. But today we're focusing on their bread and butter, the bags. And let me tell you, these ain't your mama's handbags, all right? We're talking about some serious craftsmanship here. The process starts with the materials. Louis Vuitton uses only the finest leathers in the world, sourced from select tanneries in Europe. I'm talking about calfskin, lambskin, even exotic skins like crocodile and ostrich. And the canvas, don't even get me started. Louis Vuitton's signature canvas is made from a coated cotton that's both durable and water resistant. It's what gives their bags that distinctive look and feel. And the crazy part is each piece of canvas is hand cut and assembled to ensure that the iconic LV monogram is perfectly aligned. Now let's talk about the manufacturing process. Each Louis Vuitton bag is handcrafted by skilled artisans in workshops throughout France. These are not your average sweatshops, all right? These are state-of-the-art facilities where workers are treated with respect and paid a fair wage. The bags are assembled in stages, with each artisan specializing in a particular task. One person might be responsible for cutting the leather, while another sews the pieces together. And then there's the hardware, the buckles, the zippers, the studs. Each one is carefully chosen and attached by hand. And here's the thing, Louis Vuitton doesn't use any glue in their bags. That's right, no glue. Everything is stitched together using a special type of thread that's both strong and durable. It's this attention to detail that sets Louis Vuitton apart from the competition. But it's not just about the craftsmanship, it's also about the history. Louis Vuitton has been around since 1854, and their bags have been carried by everyone, from royalty to celebrities. They've even created custom bags for explorers, aviators, and even magicians. So why are people willing to pay thousands of dollars for a Louis Vuitton bag? Well, for starters, it's a status symbol. It's a way of showing the world that you've made it. But it's also an investment. Louis Vuitton bags hold their value incredibly well, and some even appreciate it in value over time. But for me, it's more than just a status symbol or an investment. It's a piece of art, a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. It's something that will last a lifetime, and then some.
What we do here is go back.
All right, guys, buckle up, because we're about to go from 0 to 60 in a matter of seconds as we dive into the world of Ferrari. Now, Ferrari is more than just a car company, it's an emotion. It's a symbol of speed, power, and Italian excellence. And today we're going behind the scenes at their legendary factory in Maranello, Italy, to see how these masterpieces are made. Now, stepping into the Ferrari factory is like stepping into another world. It's spotless, it's organized, and you can feel the history in the air. It's where Enzo Ferrari's dream of building the world's greatest sports cars comes to life. The process starts with the design. Ferrari has a team of some of the most talented designers in the world, who use cutting-edge technology to create cars that are not only beautiful but also aerodynamically perfect. Once the design is finalized, it's time to start building. But here's the thing about Ferrari. They don't use an assembly line like most car manufacturers. Instead, each car is built by hand by a team of highly skilled technicians. The chassis, the engine, the transmission, they are all assembled with meticulous care and precision, and the attention to detail is insane. I'm talking about hand-stitched leather seats, carbon fiber body panels, and engines that are hand-built and tested to perfection. Speaking of engines, let's talk about the heart of a Ferrari. The engine. Each Ferrari engine is hand-built by a single master technician. That's right, one person builds the entire engine from start to finish. They use only the finest materials, and each component is meticulously inspected and tested. And the sound of a Ferrari engine, it's like music to my ears. It's a symphony of power, precision, and passion. But building a Ferrari is not just about the technical aspects, it's also about the emotion. Ferrari understands that driving a Ferrari is an experience, and they want every detail to be perfect. That's why they have a dedicated team of test drivers who put each car through its paces on their private test track. They push the cars to their limits to ensure that they meet Ferrari's exacting standards. And once the car is finished, it's given a final inspection by a team of experts. Only the perfect cars earn the right to wear the prancing horse badge. So why are people willing to spend hundreds of thousands, even millions of dollars on a Ferrari? Well, it's more than just a car. It's a statement. It's an experience. It's a piece of automotive art. It's about the history, the legacy, and the passion that goes into every single car. It's about owning a piece of the dream that Enzo Ferrari built.
What we do here is go back.
So there you have it, guys, a glimpse into the incredible world of luxury brands and how they create their masterpieces, from the precision of Rolex watches to the craftsmanship of Louis Vuitton bags and the raw power of Ferrari cars. We've seen firsthand the dedication, skill, and passion that goes into making these products. It's more than just about the high price tags. It's about the heritage, the attention to detail, and the pursuit of perfection that sets these brands apart. It's about creating products that are not just objects, but experiences, legacies that will last a lifetime. If you enjoyed this journey into the heart of luxury, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible content. And be sure to let me know in the comments which luxury brand you want me to explore next. Until then, stay curious, stay hungry, and I'll catch you in the next one.
What we do here here is go back.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of luxury brands. Leave a comment below on which brand you'd like us to explore next. See you in the next video.